William Nozak here from Nozak Consulting. Today we're cutting through the fluff and getting straight to the SEO tactics that will actually make a difference in 2024. Number 1, master the art of content. Google's algorithm prioritizes high quality, informative content that genuinely answers user queries and offers real value. Consider tools like Surfer SEO and ClearScope to elevate your content quality. Number 2, core web vitals are king. Page speed, interactivity, and visual stability. These core web vitals metrics significantly impact your SEO rankings. Optimize these aspects for a superior user experience. Number 3, keyword research done right. Keyword research isn't about stuffing your content with keywords. It's about understanding what your target audience is actively searching for. Utilize tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs for comprehensive keyword research. Number 4, build backlinks with authority. High quality backlinks from reputable websites act as endorsements for your site. Employ strategies such as guest posting and broken link building, but always focus on relevance and authority. Number 5, technical SEO. Don't overlook technical SEO issues like broken links and duplicate content. These problems can hinder your website's performance. Regular audits are crucial to identify and resolve these issues promptly. Number 6, claim your featured snippet. Securing the position 0 featured snippet in Google search results can dramatically boost your visibility. Format your content strategically to increase your chances of landing in these coveted spots. Number 7, build trust with E.E.A.T. Google values expertise, experience, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Showcase your credentials, publish your original content, and earn backlinks from reputable sources to enhance your E.E.A.T signals. Number 8, video SEO. The future is now. Video content is dominating search results. Optimize your videos for platforms like YouTube and prioritize video transcripts and closed captions to make your content accessible and search engine friendly. Number 9, conquer local SEO. If your business has a local presence, local SEO is paramount. Optimize your Google My Business listing and ensure you have accurate local citations and positive reviews. Number 10, stay ahead of the game. SEO is constantly evolving. Stay updated by following industry blogs, attending webinars, and continuously learning and adapting. Remember, SEO is a long-term commitment. Be consistent, patient, and don't hesitate to experiment to discover what works best for you. If you require assistance implementing these strategies or want a thorough SEO audit, don't hesitate to contact Nozak Consulting. We're dedicated to helping you achieve your SEO objectives.